Hi, I'm Lily, and this is my partner Jack. We are a supplier of artificial turf, gravel, and other plastic gardening products. I started in the artificial turf industry in 2011. Jack is a little earlier. We also worked for the other companies over last decade or so. It was a time of helplessness because we couldn't protect our customers' rights. It was also a time of guilty because of problems out of our control. We were tired of the big companies shirking our responsibility and repeated apologies to customers. And we were determined to do things better. In 2018, we registered Tiger Lily Garden and have been practicing our business philosophy of providing stable value to our partners and making people's lives better with the most competitive prices and products around the world. Yarn is the soul of the lawn. Studies have proven that the lifespan and the safety of artificial turf is ruined by more than 95% of the artificial yarn. This is why we always produce our own yarns, which is the basic philosophy of Tiger Lily Garden. Tiger Lily Garden owns 12 extruding machines, 8 tufting machines, and 2 coating lines, which provides straight yarn, curly yarn, mixed landscaping yarn, KDK yarn, and many other types, and also provide landscaping grass, sports grass, customized grass, and so on. We have 2 major production basements. Products that require high pull-out capacity or PU backing are produced at our headquarters in Yangzhou, Jiangsu. If our customers require a cheaper product, we will coach and load them in Hebei, which has lower cost on labor and electricity. We make every effort to integrate our supply chain to ensure that our customer receives the lowest prices and the most marketable products. The formula of our gravel has been certified time and time again in our laboratories and in the domestic market to make sure that everything is safe before we dare to recommend them to our customers who have lived thousands of miles. Our product process have received numerous certificates, and each process is strictly controlled to ensure that each product is 100% raw material and also that it is green and non-polluting for you, your children, and your pets. Jack and I are both believers in the law of attraction. After more than 10 years of hard work, we have exported our products to more than 15 countries and regions around the world. Any order is a heavy trust, a diamond-like sincerity from our customer to us. Those who love to go out love to return, blessing to blessing. I firmly believe what we say, what we do, and what we think will become what we live for. In the future, Tiger Lily Garden will always insist on honesty, loyalty, focus, raw materials, ultimate cost control with quality assurance, and maximum benefit for customers. This is us. A company has been working hard for our common dream. So if you have any need, please feel free to contact us. 7/24, we are here for you.